Well, good morning, everybody. Been getting a lot of emails about, hey, Lynn, are we going to have a pen swap this year? Yeah, we are. As you well know, this whole spring and summer, I've been wrapped up with my move and the shop build, and there wasn't any way for us to do it in the springtime. I'm targeting to start the swap the week after Labor Day, which will be early September. And we'll go through September, try to wrap it up about end of September. I've been getting a lot of emails from people saying and asking about the pen swap, and they're saying, hey, I've upped my game. Your videos and Bob Blanford's videos, they've all helped me improve my skills. You know, and that's good to hear. We really like to hear that, that our videos are helpful, although they're not instructional videos per se. They're informational videos, but if you can take that information and apply it to your pen making, that's great. That's why we're here. But several people have said, I have upped my game because of y'all's videos. When are we going to have a pen swap? So that tells me everybody's got pride in what they're doing, and then their skills are growing, and that's great. Now, if you go back and look at last year's pen swap, the wrap up, there'll be a link to the playlist down below, but there'll be a link to a certain video that I did showing how I photograph my pens. There'll be a card up in this upper right or left hand corner. Check that out, because that is one area that I challenged everybody last year to up your game a little bit, besides the pen making, because we spend a lot of time making these pens, cutting the segments, gluing it up, turning it, and then we don't show it off because we take a picture in front of a piece of red velvet with a bad phone camera. It just doesn't do it justice. Now, don't get me wrong. These newer cameras on the phones and the iPads, they're wonderful. They take good pictures. I take a lot of pictures with my iPad. But the lighting is crucial. But take a look at that video about how I photograph my pens. And so this year, when we share our pen swap photos or videos, let's up our game a little bit there as well. There'll be more coming out towards the latter part of August, but I wanted to let you know, yes, the pen swap is on. It'll be in September. Look forward to it, and until next time, everybody, be safe.